Pros and cons of living in Orlando, Florida are often misunderstood by those who visit for a vacation. People often assume this city is just about theme parks, but there is a real heartbeat beneath that. Beyond the massive resorts lies a city that is growing into a major hub for families and careerists. I have seen the way this town changes year after year, and it keeps drawing in new residents daily. There is one specific thing about the local real estate market that most people completely ignore. We will get to that surprising detail later, but first we need to talk about the quality of life. Living here means you get sunshine throughout the year, which really boosts your daily happiness. The lifestyle is incredibly diverse, offering everything from nature springs to high-end dining. Culturally, the community is a melting pot, and the neighborhoods reflect that beautiful variety. You will find that healthcare facilities are top tier, which is a massive plus for any family. I remember walking down the streets of my neighborhood, just sitting with the quiet morning air. Honestly, I did not expect to feel so grounded in a city that is known for constant stimulation. It is a strange balance, but you learn to appreciate the calm pockets hidden between the crowds. The cost of living is rising, with average home prices hovering around $400,000. Rent has also climbed, making it harder for younger people to find a place that fits the budget. You have to be smart with your money here, because the expenses can sneak up on you very quickly. Consider your daily commute, where you might spend 40 minutes stuck on Interstate 4 traffic. Just imagine sitting in your car every morning, watching the highway move at a very slow pace. I personally found that the traffic is the biggest frustration for anyone trying to get to work. That thought makes me pause, because your time is valuable and you cannot get those hours back. Remember that secret I mentioned earlier about the real estate market regarding the local growth? The inventory is actually shifting to favor long-term investments, which changes the whole outlook. First, research the specific neighborhood zoning, then walk the area at night and check crime. Second, visit local grocery stores to check pricing. And third, test your commute at rush hour. Ultimately, choose a place where you can build a future that feels right for your own journey.